that's a bit much for that small scratch, which can easily be repaired. And we're going to do it, and I'll show you guys how to save hundreds of dollars by doing it yourself. All right, guys, we got a little bit of curb rash going on here. Now I got an estimate. I just got an estimate. I wasn't going to take it to get it fixed at a shop. I'm going to do this myself. So basically this damage there is going to cost around 150 bucks just for that little bit of a curb rash there. If you can see, it's really not deep. It's just a long, sort of an abrasive scratch. So, that's a bit much for that small scratch, which can easily be repaired. And we're going to do it, and I'll show you guys how to save hundreds of dollars by doing it yourself. This is the front passenger wheel. Now here on the rear passenger, we have this little scratch there, and they said that would be around 50 bucks to repair just for that little tiny itty bitty scratch there. And that's really the only damage on this wheel. Again, very simple fix with basic stuff from Home Depot. We're going to be able to fix this and make it look like it's brand new. Now here on the driver's rear, we have a long scratch there. They said that would be around 75 to 100 bucks, which is laughable. There's no way I'm going to be paying the shop just for this minor damage here. And then on the front driver's side, we have a small scratch down towards the bottom. They said that would be around 75 to 100 bucks. So all in all, just for this minor damage here for all four of the wheels, it would probably cost around $500. I'm going to show you guys how you can save hundreds of dollars just for around $30 from basic materials from the Home Depot or Lowe's or AutoZone or whatever. Make sure you guys definitely stay tuned for that, so you guys don't have to spend hundreds of dollars for basic maintenance on your vehicle like this. You can do it yourself with a basic material. I'll be doing this in the springtime. Very simple to do. In the meantime, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Check out my other videos and playlists, give them a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Alex RT Life signing off.